inspection, that may be done by your internal team, that may be done by external team. Okay. Audit is much in the pharma company or other company also. Audit is considered as three types, three categories are there. One is internal audit, one is external audit, and another is regulatory audit. What is this internal audit? Internal audit means one audit team will be there that will be defined by your internal in-house person. If you are having different sections like quality assurance, quality control, production, warehouse, engineering, HR, then the section heads or department heads or the managers can make a team to identify the issues, to do the internal audits. For example, if you are proceeding to do the internal audit of quality control section, then one team can be prepared by considering one person from production, one person from QA, one person from maintenance. The three-person can be combinedly visit QC and do the audit. That is called internal audit. And the frequency can be defined by in-house policy. That may be quarterly, that may be 6 monthly, that may be annually also. But this is mandatory to do the internal audits as per the QMS, quality management system. And what is external audit? External audit means for vendor audits. Whatever vendors are there who is providing to you the raw materials, the packaging materials, the starting materials. Okay? Those are your vendors. And contract manufacturers. If you are producing your product by a third-party contractor, by a third-party manufacturing unit, another unit, then you have to do the vendor audit of that site. That is called contract manufacturing. And testing audits. Testing means if you are sending your samples to any another lab, contract labs for analysis purpose, sample analysis, then also we have to audit their facility to check the GLP requirements, good laboratory practice requirements. And if any other third-party audits are there, for example, if you are not proceeding or if you are not feasible to do the audits, then you have to ask any third party to do the audits on behalf of you. That is called external audits. One more is there, that is called regulatory audits. Regulatory audit means if you wish to sell your product, if you wish to market your product in another country, that may be China, that may be US, that may be Canada, that may be Australia, that may be African countries, that may be CIS countries, that may be rest of world companies, all other countries. Then you have to get a regulatory approval from that country. You cannot sell directly to any country. For example, if a company that is based in US or based in Canada or based in England or based in Pakistan or Sri Lanka or China also, if they wish to sell their product in India, then they have to take the approval from our CDSU. Okay, our Indian regulatory agency. Similarly, if our Indian companies wish to sell their product in another country, then you have to take the approval from that regulatory bodies. Like US FDA audit, EU GMP. EU GMP means all the European countries. PICS, more than 52 countries are there under PICS. TGA, Therapeutic Goods Administration, that is related to Australia. Brazil, ANVISA is there. So many different regulatory bodies are there. Okay. What is the audit and how it to be performed? Audit is a systematic review of an area, function, or operation for compliance to the requirements. Okay. What is the audit team? A team of cross-functional members, that is called CFT, cross-functional team, constituted for the purpose of internal audit. Audit team should not contain a member from the department being audited. That means if the audit is meant for production, then production head should.
Want to make your career in pharma? Then start learning from our experts and discover new career options. Define Academy builds essential quality for pharma.